Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me? Hi everybody, it's Stacy, personally speaking, and I just want to thank you all so much for your outpour of love and support as usual, but especially on the recent accomplishment of my purchasing a home in Jamaica. This video is to announce that there will be a live Q&A session on October 28th at 7 p.m. I will talk about my experience and you can ask questions. Now, please note, I don't have the answers for everything and I will be talking from my experience, but I certainly gathered a lot of information in the over 1 year that it took to process this home purchasing venture. So join me on October 28th at 7 p.m. in Japan, okay? Because this is mainly for those who are living overseas and would like to purchase a house in Jamaica. So whether you're in Japan or in anywhere across the world, please join me and let us talk about this together. See you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.